Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a download data request for your TikTok account. So let's say you're on TikTok, guys, and you've requested to download your particular data, but you no longer want to download that data, or you want to make changes to it, and you simply want to cancel it. This is how you do it. Click your profile in the lower right hand side, then the three lines in the upper right hand side, then go to settings and privacy, then click on your account, then click and download your data. From here, you will be taken over to the section where it says you can request to download the data. But if you tap the option that says download data, the second tab there, you will see your past or your current request to download the data. It doesn't happen immediately, so you still have time to actually cancel it. And as you can see here, I can simply tap on cancel. It's going to give me a confirmation. Do you want to do it? Blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. Simply click delete, and that's it. That's how you go ahead and cancel. And as you can see here, I've canceled this request, guys, and that's how you go ahead and cancel your download data request